Hey community! Welcome to my channel. Today, we're exploring Tabsearch, a simple Python tool to find similar items in a dataset. Think of it like finding similar products or companies. We'll use a tiny example with 3 products to learn how it works. By the end, you'll know how to set up Tabsearch, run a search, and understand the results. It's super easy, so let's jump in. First, you need Python on your computer. I'm using Windows, but it works on Mac or Linux too. Open your terminal and make a virtual environment. On screen, Python mvenv. Turn it on. In Windows, type venv scripts activate. Then, install 2 things, Tabsearch and pandas. On screen, pip install Tabsearch pandas. We'll use a small dataset with 3 products. Each has an ID, category, price, and description. Our goal is to find which products are similar to one we pick. Let's make our script, called simple_tabsearch.py. I'll explain it step by step. First, we bring in pandas and Tabsearch's main tool. Now, we create a small dataset with 3 products, 2 tech, 1 retail. To make Tabsearch treat the description like text for better matching, we add 300 fake rows. This makes the description column have lots of different values. Next, we set up the hybrid vectorizer, tell it to use ID as the index, and process the data. Let's run it. Save the file and type python simple_tabsearch.py. You'll see messages about loading the model and processing the data. The description column is handled as text because it has over 300 unique values. Product 3, Cloud Platform, scores higher because it's in the tech category, and its description is close to AI software. Product 2, an online store, scores lower because it's retail and less similar. That's it. You just learned how to use Tabsearch to find similar items. Try it with your own data, like products or movies. Want to learn more? Check out my blog for a detailed guide, link in the description. Also, visit the Tabsearch GitHub for cool examples. Drop a comment if you want a video on using bigger datasets. Like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy data science tutorials. See you next time!